Hello and welcome to OpenLM. My name is Priyanka and today I will walk you through the installation process of OpenLM Connector Integration app on Monday. So first you need to install the app from the Monday Marketplace. After that you can go to this section, you can go to the installed app section and you can find the app OpenLM Connector Integration. Click on View App, click on Use App, choose a workspace where you want to use the app, click on Add App. After that, you will be seeing this OpenLM connector integration onboarding page where we have the instructions on how to use the app, which I will also describe in this video. But the one very important thing to use the app is that you should have the OpenLM Newgen or Annapurna edition installed in your system if you are a new user. So for that you can contact our support team. The contact details are given here. So you need to contact our support team in order to install the Newgen or Annapurna edition. After that you can go ahead with this app. And if you're already an existing user, then you have already this Newgen installed. And here we have the link of our product pages. If you wish to watch our other products, you can go ahead. Now click on start using the app. Here we have the now we have you have to authorize the app. Here you have to read the permissions that you ask for. Click on authorize. Then you have to fill up this form. Here you have to provide the customer ID that will be given by OpenLM. And if you are existing user, you already have this customer ID. After that, provide your company name. As of now, I am using a dummy data. Your email and your address, it's just your location. Then click on submit. And that's it. Your connector integration just happened. You just don't need to do anything else from here. So after you do this, you authorize and fill up the form and click on submit. We will be automatically creating a OpenLM workspace for you. This is the workspace that we will create for you. And under that, we will be creating a folder called OpenLM Connector, under which we will be creating several boards about our data regarding your license usages or connector data. That will be license denials, transaction, inventory, concurrency, license server status, all of this. And you can ignore this three. This is for our OpenLM Alerts app, and this is also listed in the marketplace. If you want to use it, you can go ahead and use it. For this also Newgen is required. So once you are here, that means you have already Newgen installed in your system. So you can go ahead and use this app from the marketplace as well. As of now, you can ignore this. So what we'll do, and for all our products, we will be adding all of this under this OpenLM workspace. So for connector, we are creating this OpenLM workspace for you. Under that, OpenLM connector folder, and under that, you will find the boards, the data of the connector. And you can create interactive dashboards. So you can create a folder called OpenLM connector dashboards, and under that you can create the dashboards that is connected to each of these boards. So I have created license denials report dashboard, which is connected to the board license denials. You can see. I will show you a demo like how you can use this, but before that I will just walk you through whatever boards we have. So we have as a report we have license denials report, that where we have total number of denials by date, denial count by feature name, denial count by server name, denial count by username. We have license transaction report where we have license duration versus idle time by date. We have total number of sessions by username. Then we have license inventory report where we have maximum procured licenses by date, total procured licenses by feature name. We have license concurrency report where we have month-wise max, mean and average concurrent usage comparison by feature name. And we have rate-wise maximum concurrent usage by feature name. Then we have license server status report where we have license server status by server name and host status by host name. So now in the next section, I will just after a few minutes, I will show you how you can create these dashboards. So now we will see how we can create these dashboards from the data. So as I said earlier also, we will create this workspace folders and this boards for you, but for the dashboards you need to create it from your part. So I'll show you a demonstration. Like you can go to the plus icon, you can go to dashboard, name anything over here, keep it say just Niles report, click on create dashboard. As it is for denials, so choose the board denials and then done. And you can, for better understanding, you can keep it under one folder. You can create this OpenLM connector dashboard folder and you can move this to the folder likewise. Now I will delete it as it was for just demo purpose. So now I will show you how we created this dashboards. So first we have total number of denials by date. For this you can go to the add widget section, go on the chart and then choose a chart type where you will be finding a line chart and you can do it. So here it is. So here in the three dot section you need to click on, go to the settings. In the chart type you need to select the chart type as your line chart. But as of now I'll show you from the already existing dashboard. So likewise you can create a widget I just shown you. Now here the first widget is total number of denials by date. That is your dashboard. So you can click on, I will show you what is the settings of this. Here you need to choose the chart type as line chart. Then you need to choose the x-axis. It will be denial date group by month. Then the y-axis of this will be the count of items and the calculation is sum. Likewise, we have denial count by feature name. So in the x-axis, we will be having the feature name. The chart type will be different. So I'll show you again. So here the chart type is your bar chart. Then in the x-axis, you will be having the feature name. In the y-axis, you will be having the counts and the calculation formula is again sum. Likewise, for this chart, that is the null count by server name, for this you can see the settings. Here we have chart type as the bar chart again. We have the x-axis that is server name. We have the y-axis that is the count items and the calculation is sum. We have then denial count by username. Here also we have the chart type as bar chart. We have the x-axis as username. We have the y-axis as count items and the calculation formula is sum. These are the four widgets. Next we have license transaction report. So for this you can create license duration versus idle time by date. For this the settings will be in the chart type. It will be a line chart. In the x-axis you have to select the start time UTC, group by day, and in the y-axis you need to select the duration and idle time and the calculation formula will be sum. After that we have total number of sessions by username. So for that again we will see the settings. Here the chart type is a donut chart and we have labels. In the labels we have username and yeah, and that's it. You can have it. Then we have license inventory report. For that we have two widgets. So first is maximum procured licenses by date. Now we will see the settings for it. So here the chart type is a line chart. X-axis is date from UTC, group by day. You see group by day. And the y-axis is quantity where the calculation formula is max. Then we have total procured licenses by feature name. Here we will see the settings. Here we have the chart type as a bar chart, and sorry, we have a bar chart, and then in the x-axis we have feature name, and in the y-axis we have quantity. The calculation formula is sum. After that, we will see license concurrency report. For license concurrency report, we have month-wise max, mean, and average concurrent usage comparison by feature name. For that, you can go to the three dots. You will see the settings. Here, the chart type is, this is a smooth line. After that, we have in the x-axis we have date UTC group by day. In the y-axis, we have mean concurrent usage, max concurrent usage, and average concurrent usage, and the calculation formula is max. So here you will be able to see the results, like this line denotes the max concurrent usage of this day. This shows the average concurrent usage of this day, and this shows the mean concurrent usage of this day. Here we have date-wise maximum concurrent usage by feature name. So the settings will be, the chart type is again a smooth line. Then we have in the x-axis we have date UTC group by day, and y-axis we have max concurrent usage, and the formula is max. So for this you need to filter it out by feature name as well. So in the filter option you can filter it like feature name contains this. For a particular feature you can only see this, and this makes sense. So you have to filter it out with the feature name for which you want to see the the maximum concurrent usage. So, and this goes similar for this also. Here also you have to select a feature. You have to filter it by a feature for which you want to see the comparison between max, min, and average concurrent usage. So I have selected a feature name. So this is the filter that you have to use for this. Then we have license server status report. In this case, we have license server status by server name. So here we can see the settings again. So we have the chart type as the stacked bar, and we have x-axis as server name, and we have stack by is server status. So here we will see this section denotes the red is for stopped, green is for up, and you see this server is always up 100% time. This server is like stopped for 14% time, and then it is again running. So you can see this data. Then we have host status similarly by host name. So for this the settings will be, the chart type will be again a stacked bar, and we have the x-axis as host name and stack by as host status. So this is how you can create all of this dashboards to visually represent your data, that is your connected data or license usage report, which makes it easier for you understand your license usage reports. Thank you so much for watching.